fifth graders. Hey, this is your assignment and math lesson for Friday, 4/24. Yep, 4/24. Sorry, days are running together, like we all know. This one is continuing on the orders of operations, okay? And we're working on parentheses and the subtracting and multiplying, adding and division, okay? We're gonna work on the level. We're gonna forget exponents. So again, it's gonna be parentheses, and you're going to see different types of parentheses, okay? You're not just going to see a regular parenthesis in some of your problems. The parentheses you'll see are then the pink in the, oh gosh, hope you can distinguish the colors. Then you have something known as brackets, which will be in there, which kind of just look like brackets. That's all I know to tell you. And they're brown. And then the last one I'll show you is in black, and those are what we call braces. And what happens is you have, and braces kind of look like the profile side of a chubby guy. Okay, their nose and their cheeks and their forehead. But anyway, okay, so if you can tell, we're gonna see in parentheses, or you've got brackets, or you've got braces, okay? And usually these are on the farthest outside. Then you might see these, and then you'll see these, okay? But those are the different ones you're gonna see. Irregardless of when you see these, you do whichever one is the innermost in first, and then it builds out, okay? And I have a problem that will show you that here in a second. But again, remember that when you are doing, when you are doing orders of operations, okay, a problem, for example, oh, here we go. 30. Divided by 4 times 8. Okay, that's kind of over there to the side. But if you've got this problem here, you're going to look, and there's only 2 different kinds of operations. I just put division and multiplying, no parentheses. So you're going to do whichever one comes first, left to right. And this one is the first one. So you're going to take 20 and divide it by 30, and that will be 4. Then you're going to take 4 divided by 4. That's your next problem. Okay, right here. And that will be 1. And then you're going to take 1 times 8. So your answer is 8 to that problem. All right. So again, just orders of operations, whichever comes first, left to right. Parentheses, multiplying, dividing, adding, and subtracting. It is a hierarchy of operations, guys. The parentheses is the new thing that is in your math problems that you haven't seen much of. Then it's higher level multiplying, dividing, and then adding and subtracting is on your base foundation, okay? So just remember that. Keep that in mind when you're solving your math problems. Please look at 742 because it's got some helpful hints. And then do your 749, 743, and I believe your 745 assignment. Let me double check. Yes, it looks like it's 743, 3 through 21, and it's 746. Yes, I gave you a few story problems. I gave you just numbers 18 and 19. So don't really think it's a lot of problems for you on this Friday. So get them done. If you have questions, you can ask me in Zoom, or you can just get a hold of me, okay? Okay, so this is a problem that has all of the things in it that I was talking to you about. So we're gonna tackle it and we're gonna find out what we're doing, okay? Well, I see braces here. So this whole thing is going to be done before I do anything times 6. Okay. So it looks like then I've got some bracket here. So I have to do this in the parentheses first. So what I'll be doing is I'll be doing this one, which I know is 12. And then I'm going to do 12 divided by 2. And that gets me 6. So then I'm going to do 6 plus 3, which gives me 9. And then I'm going to take the 9 times the 6 finally, which gives me 54. Okay, so the answer to that problem would be 54. That is actually one of the problems in the math page. So when you see it, you'll know that this is how you write to get your answer. Please do your work on another sheet of paper and then get your answers in the book. It is definitely an assignment that you're going to want to write some work down on to show your work. Because when you get into the upper grades, the teacher's going to ask you to show your work and tell how you did it. So they need to see you doing the correct orders of operations. Okay, guys, please have a good Friday. I will be seeing you and wishing you well. Enjoy it. I do hope you hugged a tree for Earth Day. I know a few of you did, so awesome. If you haven't tried the roller coaster virtual field trip, I would suggest you go do it. I have heard some really good feedback. The link is on our classroom page. Try it out. And I will talk with you guys later. Have a good one. Bye.